Welcome to the third class. We will start sewing the overcoat darts and hand sew the deep U round back. Be extra careful when you stitch the round corner. We will iron the back before placing both wings on and join them with the back shoulder. We will sew the binding on the edge of front opening. Follow by using a fine needle to sew a blind stitch to cover the allowance neatly. Sew the V-shaped sleeve wrist, then follow by joining the left and right side. For the belt, iron the inner lining onto the material and cut the excess material off. Then follow by joining the side of the body and hand stitch to join both sleeves, finish by sewing the hem. Now we start stitching the lace border on the shoulder. We also must sew a buckle at the end of the belt, either transparent or metal press button. How are you guys doing so far? I hope all of you find it interesting. We will press on with the bodysuit. Let's join the back sleeve with the back body. Left and the right side. Follow up with organza collar. Sew a velcro tape at the back center. Here we go, the front bodysuit. We will join both the shoulder and side later. We will go on to sew legging first. Start by sewing the ankle, followed by side seam, then join together the front and back crotch. I'm very happy that we have reached front slit skirt now. Begin sewing the two side seams and the front opening. Don't forget to sew the darts. Secure with ball pins and sew, while leaving the hem unsewn.